Hello, croeso, I'm Menna. So this week's theme from the Glynn Vivian Art Gallery in Swansea's learning team is home. So we've been spending quite an extraordinary amount of time at home and hopefully really enjoying our personal spaces in my own home, and I think this could be said for my kids as well. We really love the soft furnishings, things that we have around us, the textiles, the things that we can cozy up with. So I thought it might be nice to share with you a little bit of a weaving activity that you could do together as a family, using simple materials and recycling some old clothes. So here's a little rag rug. They're really quite quick and simple to make, and seeing a rug come together is really satisfying. So I hope you enjoy this. If you have done a bit of weaving before, you might be thinking, but don't I need a loom? And for our loom, we're going to use a couple of chairs. So please, before you start this activity, check with everyone in the house that these couple of chairs that will need to be the same kind of size, they are not going to be needed for a few hours. So just please check with everyone in the house. So the frame we're going to need for making this little rag rug is known as the loom. So we'll be using a couple of chairs for that. But otherwise, the basics of a woven piece of textiles will be your warp and your weft. So the warp, in this case, is the yarn, the strings that lie this way. And for this, we're going to use two different colours, so two different coloured yarns. So there'll be one colour on top and one colour on the bottom, keeping it really simple to know which thread to pick up. The weft in this rag rug is the rag part. So for this, you're going to need a few items of old clothes. Again, check that they're not needed or people have grown out of them, and that you can actually cut them up. So old pyjama trousers, things that you might have grown out of, t-shirts. In this case, we want to use some jersey, lightweight jersey fabric, which is a stretchy knitted fabric, so I have a little bit of stretch in it. It gives your rug a nice little bit of stretch and bounce. Okay, so what we're going to do is cut this up to create a yarn for our weft. So we're going to make nice strings of jersey fabric for you to weave in and out, making your weft. So to make the loom, we need two chairs with the same distance between their back legs. The ones I had were the width of an A2 paper, so it gave a good marker. But if your chairs aren't this width, or you don't have some A2 paper, just mark the floor with a bit of masking tape. To build the loom, we need two sticks a bit longer than the space between the chair legs. Cut 4 pieces of yarn about 12 inches long for tethering the sticks to the chair legs. When you've made a knot, you might want to tape it down just so your tethering doesn't slip. So now you're ready to prepare the warp and weft. So gather your 2 wools, a pair of scissors and the old clothes, and you'll need a tape measure or a ruler as well. Start by cutting out any labels and levelling off curved hems because you don't want any wobbly yarns. And now just cut straight strips about 1 inch wide. With trouser legs and with sleeves, you can get longer lengths by cutting off the hem and then cutting at a slight angle all the way up. Now we can start building the warp on the loom. So it's good to work as a team on this because you'll need 40 pairs of yarn, 35 inches long. So each pair needs a knot 3 inches from one end. And when you've prepared them all, position the first set around one of the sticks on your loom. Again, it's good to work on as a team. While one person holds the knot in place, someone else can tie the threads to the opposite stick. And keep going. Might take a little while, but when all 80 threads are on your loom, the warp is ready. Normally with a rug, the first and the last bit of weft is done with the same yarn as your warp. So make a little ball of the yarn and start weaving in and out. Then weave the yarn back again and make a little knot. Now you're ready to weave with your rag yarns. So the two different colours of the warp will help you see which to pick up as you weave in and out. Enjoy the weaving! The top thread on your loom can be picked up with another stick. And for knotting the ends of your rag yarns together, it's best done with a tapered end. So just trim both ends, knot together, and then carry on. For quicker weaving, you can pick up a few threads at a time. If you're finding pulling the weft yarn through a bit challenging, you can easily make a shuttle with a stick or a pencil taped to the end of your yarn. To finish the weaving, do 2 more lines of yarn and then knot together, just as you did at the start. Then leave about 3 inches and cut the warp off the loom. Now knot the warp so the weaving all holds together. At the other end, you can slide the stick out of the loops. And now trim the warp yarns so they're even, and then knot them just like you did at the other end. Enjoy your rag rug!